So Loreen, yes?
Yes.
Loreen from Sweden.
From Sweden.
You live in a house or in an apartment in Sweden?
Oh, no, I live in a house. It's a renovated old house.
Here we are. That's why we don't have money. This year for me was, oh my God, my house.
Yeah, that's the thing.
It's from 1962. Oh, this is my new bedroom. Can you imagine sleeping without bed?
I know.
You have to be patient for everything, but now I have a problem with water, you know?
Oh, God. Oh, Jesus Christ. Yeah,
Jesus Christ. Boom. Yeah. So now I'm doing this. So this is the problems I told you about. You should see, because it's really all of the sudden so big water on this garage. When I was in the summer, I was thinking about my facade. I was trying to find so many people for this facade. This one is Mansa. She's Mansa. 16, and you know what? Yesterday she came home and she said, "Oh, I need 45 euros for concert." One guy, he will play a violin.
Yeah, that's a lot for a violin. Yeah.
What do you think about that? And I don't have money because of this house.
Yeah. Oh, is he named David Garrett?
Yes, David Garrett. How did you know?
We know each other. Well, like, I could try to text him and be like, let her come in for free if you want to.
Okay, I need 2 tickets.
2 tickets?
Yes, for
on
my
your
wife.
name. If you give me your name, I could actually make sure that.
I can give you a house number if you want to see a facade or something. There's no problem.
Okay.
I can give you everything. Okay, we have to finish because you have. I understand. I understand. Thank you.
Really, thank you. But
really
right now,
warm person. I really.
A ja, čakaš da rečem? A ja, veš kaj sem ti hotel povedati? Če nas rad poslušaš zjutraj Denis Avdić show, polajkaj še Facebook, pa polajkaj še Instagram, polajkaj, kar lahko polajkaš, stari, sam polajkaj. Aj prav, polajkaj pa poslušaj, stisni like.